How to manually create a file history backup in Windows 10. In today's digital landscape, automation plays a critical role in improving convenience and efficiency across nearly every aspect of life. However, there are scenarios where manual processes remain essential, particularly when it comes to ensuring redundancy and enhancing security. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to manually create a file history backup in Windows 10 without relying on third-party software. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is file history in Windows 10? File history is a built-in backup tool in Windows 10 that automatically saves copies of your files on a regular basis. This lets you recover older versions if something goes wrong or a file is lost. One key benefit is the ability to restore previous versions of your files whenever needed. You can manually back up using file history to an internal drive, an external hard drive, or a network drive. How to manually set up file history in Windows 10. Before you start using file history, make sure your system is ready. Your Windows 10 should be up to date, and you'll need a suitable storage device depending on the type of backup you plan to create. The first option is through Settings. To set up file history, go to Start, Settings, Update and Security, Backup. Under Backup using file history, click Add a drive and choose an external or network drive. Once selected, file history will turn on. To customize settings, click More Options where you can set how often backups run, how long to keep them, and which folders to include or exclude. To start a backup right away, scroll down and click Backup Now. Then check the progress to make sure it completes successfully. Through Control Panel. Open the Control Panel and select File History. Click Run under the selected drive to start the backup. File history will create a new version. Just watch the progress to make sure it finishes successfully. Some tips to properly configure file history manually. Creating a file history backup is simple, but maintaining it properly is key. Regularly check that backups are running as scheduled by reviewing the latest backup date in the settings. Keep an eye on your storage space and delete old versions or upgrade your drive if needed. File history is a handy Windows feature that backs up your data automatically, but creating manual backups adds extra protection, especially for important files, against threats, accidents, or system errors. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to manually create a file history backup, linked in the description below.